Thank you. Yeah, Dr. Khadarji, one thing I know you had talked about looking at the sun early in the morning and late in the evening. So I just wanted to check, I mean, is it okay directly to look at the sun? And if
Yeah,
so, how
especially when
long?
the sun is orange.
Only when the sun is orange, but how long can we
Yeah.
look at it? Like
Yeah, I think
1 minute?
generally it is 7 to 10 minutes. Beyond that, it becomes difficult for you to look into the sun. After that, it becomes white and it's very, very bright. So you should not. Yeah.
But you're saying you can gaze at it for 7 minutes continuously?
Yeah, when the sun is orange.
Okay, okay.
It
And
takes 7 to 9 minutes, depending on where you are, for the orange color to be. See, in India, it takes around 7 minutes because we're almost there, like that. But in America, it may be different for place to place. The time gap he remaining orangish, and it depends on the atmospheric conditions of that particular day. But anywhere and everywhere, he looks orangish when he's coming out of the horizon and going into the horizon.
right. So yeah. So direct
And the
gazing is okay.
time depends on the place you are, and
Right. Right.
But
no, I was
certainly
talking about
for
duration.
6 to 7 minutes. Yeah, duration 7 minutes.
Okay.